Okay? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So, it is the concrete rule. It is the rule we came to conclusion that no article is generally used before the name of person, continent, country, state, district, town. But there is an exception. These are the exception. These are the exception. We discussed some exception case in which these used before the name of continent, country, state, district, town. Another, I like to tell you, come to person. If you write the name, first name, this is not used. If you write Ramachandra Mishra, if you write Ramachandra Mishra, no article is used. If you Rama, no article is used. But A Mishra, if you write the title, come on, if you write the title, you may use A Mishra. I saw A Mishra in the playground. I saw A Mishra. I saw A Mishra in the playground. I saw A Mishra in the playground. That means what? There are so many Mishras. There are so many Mishras in the college. I saw one Mishra. Just like the Mishras. What is the meaning? The whole family, Mishra family. It refers Mishra family. The Mishras attended the festival. The Mishras attended the festival. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is the first rule. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
We can see Asia is the largest continent in the world. But come on to use of article before proper noun. It is completed.
Yes, sir.
Now we shall discuss the use of article before proper noun. Article these used. Article the is used before proper noun. Before, in which case we can use article these used before proper noun. Before proper noun. These used. Before the name of one river, before the name of she, before the name of ocean, she, be ocean, before the name of ocean, she canal, canal. Channel. First canal, D channel. Channel. Rivers. Rivers. River. What is the sea? Come on, sea. If you think about sea, the Red Sea, the Black Sea, the Red Sea, it is capital, Red Sea. Red Sea. Okay, the Arabian Sea, Arab Sagar, the Arabian Sea, Arabian Sea, the Arabian Sea, the Red Sea. Okay? Hello, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Bhumodya Sagara, the Mediterranean Sea. The Mediterranean Sea. The Mediterranean Sea. The Mediterranean Sea. Did you understand? The Mediterranean Sea, North Sea, Uttara. But if you think about ocean, this is, oh, come on. One is the use before sea, ocean. Come on, tell me one name of the ocean.
Indian Ocean.
The Indian Ocean.
Pacific.
The Indian Ocean.
Pacific, Atlantic.
The Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, Prashant Mahasagara. The Pacific Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean.
North America.
Just like canal, the Suez Canal. The Suez, it refers Suez Canal. It does not need to write canal. The Suez, the Panama, the Panama, the Panama. Okay? Then channel, English channel, the English,
English Channel.
the English, the English channel, the English channel. You may use it, the English, you may write the channel, the English channel. River, the Ganga, or the Ganges, the Jamuna, the Amazon, the Amazon. Okay.
Sir, D କୁହନ୍ତୁ sir, D. Channel ର ସେଟା.
Your channel, this channel, English channel, canal and channel, Suez Canal. Channel, there is a small gap entered into the country. A small canal from the mountain entered into the countryside. That is called channel. That is called the.
Channel.
But one thing I like to tell you here, okay, we shall discuss later on, in which case these used before proper noun. Our discussion is article these used before proper noun. In this case, though these are proper noun, but we can use the. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Then come on,
Sir, the English channel ठीक हबो ना? The English ठीक हबो.
the English channel.
सर जो ब्रैकेट ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି कोथि sir?
Yeah?
ब्रैकेट जो ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି.
Yeah, it may be a channel, one channel, you may use it in bracket or you may use it or may not it, just channel. The channel means the English channel.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
You may write in bracket, that is English. River, you may write it just like you may write it the river Ganga in bracket, the river Ganga, the river Amazon. You may write in here, you may, it is, you think, if you write the brackets, the words in bracket is optional. You may write or may not write. You may write the river Ganga or the Ganga. The words in bracket refers optional. The words in bracket refers to optional. You may write the river Ganga or
The
or
The Ganga.
the Ganga. You said the river Nile, the river Nile or the Nile, both are same. Just to therefore identify the Nile river, you may use river. You may write or may not write. Okay?
Yes.
Any question regarding this? See, all the water parts, जलभाग गुड़िक विषय जो आलोचना करिवो ताहले ए सब गुड़िक आम आलोचना आसला जलभाग. ओके,
Yes, sir.
कम ऑन.
सर चैनल माने जो इंग्लिश चैनल कहले सेटा कोन गोटे ही चैनल अछि कि सर?
व्हाट?
सर वन चैनल ही प्रेजेंट अछि कि सर? इंग्लिश टा में न लिखले भी चलिबो आपण जो कहले.
Yeah, you may write English channel. Okay, if you are confused, you delete this one, the English channel. But Panama Canal. If you are in doubt, if you the channel bracket, you may use English or may not use. That is optional. The words in bracket is optional. Okay?
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Sir,
Yeah. You please increase your volume. I can't listen. You please increase the volume of your mobile.
yes, sir, yes, sir. Sir, अंशुपा पाखरे द लागिबो ना नहीं?
Yeah?
अंशुपा ह्रद.
Optional?
अंशुपा ह्रद जो कटक रे जो अछि कि नहीं सर ह्रदटा अंशुपा लेक रे.
What you are telling, I can't listen.
Sir, अंशुपा ह्रद कहउचंती sir.
That is optional. What is the meaning of optional? You may use or may not use. That is C. The river Ganga. The river Ganga you may write or the Ganga you may write.
Sir, lake पूर्वरु पचारुचंती sir. Lake.
Oh, come on. I am coming to this place. I am coming one by one. Okay? If you think about lake, if you think about lake, if you say, if it is one lake, generally no article, lakes are usual. Name of lakes, lake. If you think about all these are usual with the, but lake is single. If you think about lake, no article is used before lake. No article. Is it visible? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay, come on. I am coming to this place about lake. We shall discuss later on. I will come to your point. Don't worry. Then come on, I will come to your point. That is another part. Mountains, come on. Mountains. D is used before the name of mountains. Mountains out of India.
Karakoram.
Huh?
Karakoram. Mount Everest.
Aravali Mountains.
Alpus.
The Aravali Mountains. You mark mountains. That means the combination of so many mountains is called mountains. You know, Eastern Ghat. Eastern Ghat mountain spreads from Kerala to Odisha. Did you understand? Eastern Ghat,
Yes, sir.
Eastern
Yes, sir.
Ghat mountains spreads from Kerala to Odisha. That is mountains. It is mountains, not mountain. Be careful. I have marked this word mountains. That is called mountains range. You may use mountains range. Okay? Then
Yes, sir.
Rocky Mountains. The Rocky Mountains. The Rocky Range. The Rocky Mountains. That is called, in Odia, we tell Parbatamala. Yeah, come on, another deserts. Deserts. Before the name of the desert, we use the Sahara. The Sahara. The Sahara. The Sahara, you may use here desert in bracket because someone desert. You may use here desert Sahara because somebody gives the name of a company Sahara. So you should write here desert in brackets. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
The Thor desert. The Thor desert. The Thor desert. The Thor desert. Another is islands. 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 Not, you should not pronounce as islands. It is called islands. Islands. Not island. Islands. Before the names of islands, we can use the. That is British Isles, the British Isles, the British Isles, the British Isles, or the Andamans, the Andamans, the Andamans, okay, the Andamans, or you may write, the cricket
Dadar
players
Karavali.
come to India, those are black in color. Who are they? The West Indies. The West Indies. The West Indies came to India. The West Indies came to India. The players from the West Indies come to play with the players of India. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You mark the sentence.
Sir,
Players.
Hello, sir.
The players of West Indies, the players of the West Indies, the players of the West Indies, the players of the West Indies come to India to play with you, to play. The players of the West Indies come to India. Here the players of the West Indies come to India to play cricket. To play cricket. Here there is no article is used. India is a country. It is not used. But West Indies is the islands. West Indies is the islands, so these used. Did you understand?
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Sir, seটা the Andaman হবে না? The Andamans হবে।
The Andamans.
Sir,
The
সেটা
Andamans.
ছাড় দিয়েছেন নাকি?
The Andamans.
Okay, sir.
Andaman Nicobar Dweepপুঞ্জ, or the Andamans.
Sir, তার bracket রে ଆଇଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଲେଖିଲେ ହବ କି?
Yeah,
Bracket ରେ island
no problem. The Andamans in the bracket you may write the islands. The Andamans you may write here isles, isles, isles.